Akala nyo lang wala, but girl, okay. Sabi dito ni, walang pangalan, ang lupit, walang kakaba-kaba, Lodi Cakes. Guys, yung mga nakikita ninyo na interview posts, or in my case, a discovery call kasi yon. So, nag-request talaga ng meeting si client para malaman niya if we'd be a good fit. And akala ng mga tao hindi ninenervyos yung mga matatagal nang nandito sa industriya. Girl, no. Hindi ko alam ha, but quite frankly, miski ako, kahit na ang tagal ko nag-iisip pa rin ako madalas if tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Normal na normal yung nararamdaman ninyong nerbiyos sa interviews. Hindi lang kayo nakakaramdam niyan kahit na napakatagal nyo na sa industry. However, this is one thing na natutunan ko for the past couple of years is that how you project yourself, how you prepare before interviews, how you research about the company, isa pang bagay na I think pwedeng yung pag-aralan is i-gauge nyo yung tao na nag interview sa inyo because you'll never really know what you'd find sa internet. For example, when this client requested for a meeting with me, what I did was, chinek ko kagad yung company niya. Pati yung LinkedIn ng wife niya na who happens to be the marketing manager nung kanilang business, nakita ko. And so right there and then, alam ko na kagad kung ano yung importante sa kanila, ano yung mission vision ng company nila, ano yung vina-value nila when it comes to people who's joining their team. And since I really wanted to close this client, sinigurado ko na bago ko umattend ng interview na yon is alam ko na kagad kung ano yung skill set ko na i-offer sa kanila. There are so many ways for you guys to be prepared. Pero siguro, ang isang nakatulong sa akin to land this client, who's by the way still my client up to this moment, is yung confidence but at the same time hindi arrogant. Yung alam nila na even though you know what you're doing, you're still open to the idea that you would be learning a thing or two about your industry. AWS yung isang nagiging problem namin madalas with this client is pagka syempre masyadong technical eh. So dahil AWS at bago yung industry na yon for me, sinabi ko sa kanila na may mga bagay pa rin sigurado ako na matututunan from you guys and I'm really excited about this position dahil nga bago siya sa akin. And when we started out, medyo mahirap, maraming requirements si clients na hindi ako sure kung kaya kong ibigay. Pero eventually, we were able to find parang a way to communicate with each other na hindi kami nagka-clash sa ideas. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about how to answer interviews, how to prepare for interviews, i-comment nyo na lang sila dito and follow for more work from home cheese please. Bye!